Hey everyone! Well, another Overland Expo has come and gone, and once again we found some great accessories to share with you. This time we focused on something near and dear to our hearts.
Food! Take a look at these great products that will inspire you to get creative with camp cooking and make some delicious meals even when you find yourself down the most rugged dirt roads.
So how it's working is that you have this stainless steel base, put that on the stovetop, heats up there, which heats up the pan. In the pan you put whatever oven food you want to cook or bake. It could be pizza, lasagna, cake, potatoes. Heat up the hole, hit the lid, it gives you the overheat. Then you have the oven. The result can look like this. Brownies is done on our stove today. We also have a silicone liner which you put into the oven, makes life easier, less dishwashing and less water needed. That's very good for overland people. We have the oven rack when you're doing fries, baked potatoes, whatever you want circulated air around. We got inspirational recipe book which have recipes done for Omnia. We got desserts, different gratins, pies. Here's a variety of bread we're doing in the Omnia. We are online on Amazon, Walmart.com, campingworld.com, but probably a couple of more retailers coming up very soon.
Hi, my name is Jerry from Tembo, Tusk, and we're here at the Overland Expo East. And I just want to show you our product. We're cooking up brats at the moment. This is called a Skottle grill. And it's a South African cooking device. That's where the inspiration comes from. My wife is South African, and she had to have one, so I made one. These are they're 18 inches. They stand about 28, 29 inches tall. There is nothing you can't cook on it. Whether you can, with a lid, you can actually bake, you can steam. We've made cookies, we've done pizzas, we've done sweet rolls in the morning, biscuits, steamed vegetables. We've even smoked meat with wood chips. In our steam tray, we put wood chips underneath, and we'll put ribs on the side, half hour, and they fall off the bone. Absolutely delicious. And I don't know if you can read it on my shirt, tembotusk.com. And all of our products are made in America.
Hi folks, my name's Greg. I'm here with Cobb Grill America. I'm here to show you real quick one of our products. Works off of a coconut shell char. Burn time is about 3 hours minimum off this one unit. The way it works, it keeps all the heat contained in one simple little area. That way, even at 400 degrees, with a pizza burning, you can lift it up and it's nice and cool in bottom. A lot of our products are easy to use, and the way they're arranged, all the juices run off the edge into here for no flare-ups and an easy cleanup. We have the large 4 to 6 people and the easy 2 to 4 people. You can rack and stack and try different. You can do your steak on one. You can do the extension for your chicken, or you can put your vegetables on top. There's everything from kettles that heat your water up in about 4 to 5 minutes. There's woks that lock in nice and tight with lids that fit well. We have pizza stones that work really nice, all in an easy carry bag. If we'd like to show you more, just go to cobbgrillamerica.com. Thank you.
Hey, it's William with Planetary Design and BruTrek, sitting here at the Overland East Expo. Just wanted to show you all a couple of the products that we have and that we're offering. I'm going to start off with our airscape containers, which are awesome for any type of dried food storage. With the inner lid and the handles up, the valve's open, so you can put whatever you want to in there, whether it be your coffee beans, oatmeal. And when you press this down, it allows you to force out any excess air, flip down the handle, and it seals it off. These come in several different sizes, from our 7-inch that'll hold a whole pound of whole bean coffees to 4-inch, which will hold a half a pound. We also have the BruTrek bundles that are made out of Triton plastic, which is BPA free and extremely durable. So we also offer through our company several different press options, from travel presses to just standard tabletop French presses. The presses are awesome because they're stainless steel, kitchen grade, vacuum insulated to keep your coffee hot for hours. The thing we did to improve upon that is we created the brew stop. So as you're brewing your coffee, when you press this down all the way, it separates the water from the grinds to stop the extraction, keeping your coffee to where it tastes the same an hour later as it did 4 minutes after you made it. So like I said, we have the tabletop versions, and we have several different small 20-ounce, 16-ounce travel presses, which are great to take with you on any type of an adventure. Coming soon in January of 2020, you can keep an eye out for our new Overlander press. This will be a 28-ounce French press that you can also drink from with a sip and snap lid. But the best part about it is to help you save water. We made it with a removable bottom so you can knock out your grinds and then make another batch and be ready to go. So you can check out all of our products at planetarydesign.com. You can also look us up at BruTrek.com, and you might even see our brand rover while she's on the road driving in our wonderful rig here.
So I'm Derek, and I'm with Southern Expeditions, and this is the Pack Flat Fire Pit. We wanted to have a way to ethically have a fire raised off the ground without having to look for rocks and go around and dig a hole in the beach. And what we did and teamed up with Blue Ridge Overland Gear and put this awesome bag together for it. We've got a 4-piece system, and then we've got a cook grate for it as well. So our 4-piece system, it's all 7-gauge mild steel, cut on a fiber optic laser, so it still retains its factory mill scale coating. They all come, coated with a light coat of boiled linseed oil, and it's a slot design. So it's got 4 air holes on each side, and it's got an 1/8-inch gap line all the way across the bottom where they meet up. So you take this, and it fits together just in a slot, just like that. Super simple. So when you get to camp, you want to have a fire. You've got this awesome little Blue Ridge Overland Gear fire bag. It's got these plastic G hooks on it. You simply undo them, lay it open, and the inside of the bag is a PVC truck tarp, bar tack and stitched on the outside, so you got your fire pit all laid out here. You assemble your fire pit. You got your 2 ends that sit here in the pouches, and they both got a sewn stitch so they won't rattle. It doesn't make any noise while it's riding your vehicle. You pull it out, you set it apart, you set your fire pit up, and then you have a way to go gather your firewood, and you're not having to carry it around in your hands. So the whole idea here is utilitarian and how to just have a product that works for us, and that was kind of the idea behind putting it all together. We came up with a cook grate design. The cook grate design is 12 by 12 that sits right on the fire pit. This is a 3/16 food grade, food safe stainless, ready to go right out of the box, requires no seasoning. It's kind of an additional accessory that we sell here on the website. And all the fire pits come with the mild steel cook grate that you can season just like you would any other cast iron. Then when you're done, pull the cook grate. Now you don't have any dishes to do. Lay your logs on top, and you got a fire that you can enjoy for hours, and it'll radiate heat about 60 inches around the fire pit. So if you're looking for more information, go to southernexpeditions.com. My name is Derek, and I'm the founder of Southern Expeditions, and I look forward to seeing you there.
Hey everybody, this is Fred with Mountain Hatch. We're from Southern California, actually Menifee, California. We manufacture food grade tailgate inserts for pickup trucks. We have them for all kinds of trucks. Our biggest market is obviously Tacoma. We make the Tacoma in orange, charcoal, black, and red. The company started about 2 years ago. We did a lot of R&D in the beginning, but we were on a camping trip and my daughter spilled her hot cocoa and kind of got frustrated with that. So I made the first one in my garage myself, and then we thought maybe this would be cool for other people to use too. So turned into a corporation, did a lot of research on plastics and all that. We market everything on Instagram, so you can find us there. But you can purchase our product online at mountainhatch.org. Everything's manufactured here in America, but go check it out. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Ward. I'm the developer of Tailgate Tire Table, and I want to show you how we set this up and install it. So the first thing you do is pop these legs into their receivers. Then these jam bolts, loosen them up. This is your rear support and your slider, your width, and your rear support. So then you take that, put it on around the back of the tire. And what I do to get it snug is I reach in and pull on it and press with my thighs. Tighten up the jam bolts, and you've got a table. So there it's cantilever, but we also added an additional leg for more support, and it makes it rock solid. So the table is available through us on tailgateortiretable.com.
Hi, this is Damon Bungard, brand manager for Orion Coolers here at Overland Expo 2019 in Virginia. We're checking out Orion Coolers and people are like, well, what's up with your Orion Coolers? How are they different? Well, we designed Orion to be more than a cooler. Why should your cooler just be a plastic box? It should be a lot more things. It should be your tool in camp. It can be your chair in camp. It should be your mini bar in camp. It should help you prepare dinner. It should basically do a lot more things than just stay cool. So our slogan's never lose your cool, and that goes as far as what you're putting in the cooler, but then how you're using the cooler. Be the coolest guy in camp. You can check out all of our products at orioncoolers.com.
If you'd like to know more about any of these products, check out the link in the description below.
Or visit our blog at mandyleephoto.com. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit subscribe below.
So, here's to eating good no matter where you are. Love and light.
Make sure to click it. Make sure to I hate talking.